If you don't already have an installation of Ubuntu, let's take a few minutes to get it installed. In order to get Ubuntu installed in an environment where we can learn about it, we need to get the installer. Linux installers come as disk images, large files that represent a CD or DVD, called an ISO file or ISO image. We can download these files from a distro's website. In the case of Ubuntu, that's ubuntu.com. I should note that if you're using an older computer, one with a 32-bit processor, you won't be able to install this version of Ubuntu on your system. You'll need to look for an older version. But if your computer is from about 2008 or later, you can probably use the 64-bit version. Check your system specs to be certain. I'll visit ubuntu.com and click through to download the current version of the desktop flavor. I'll mouse over Downloads and then choose Desktop. Then I'll click the Download button. And then I'll click OK. This file takes a while to download, so be sure to set aside some time to allow it to finish. Once we have the installer downloaded, we can use it in a few different ways. We can use a USB drive to create an installer, or we can use the disk image to install within a virtual machine. The next videos in this chapter cover a few different methods to install Ubuntu, now that we have an installation image. They're all optional, and they don't count toward course completion, so pick whichever applies to your situation and skip the rest if you'd like.